Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Digital assets paused after Bitcoin slipped below $94,290 and Ethereum crept beneath $1,807. XRP held near $2, and Litecoin climbed on hopes of a spot ETF green light for Canary Capital's proposed Litecoin ETF. Dogecoin dipped, but may have found a floor like Donkey Kong as barrels roll. The retreat followed a robust U.S. jobs report showing 177,000 new positions and a rise in 10-year Treasury yields above 4.3%. Oil supply news and geopolitical tensions added pressure ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. Yet US-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded net inflows of $1.8 billion last week. And NYDIG research hints at a 10 times money multiplier effect from corporate balance sheet demand. Speculators piled into deep out-of-the-money $300,000 call options on Deribit expiring in June, with over 5,000 contracts active. On-chain indicators from Bollinger Bands through RSI point to a squeeze in the ETH-BTC pair ahead of Ethereum's Pectra upgrade. Meanwhile, Ethereum sits above its critical support near $1,772, as it prepares for its May 7th Pectra upgrade, doubling blob data units, and raising maximum stakes to 2,048 ETH. Vitalik Buterin envisions simplifying the protocol closer to Bitcoin's elegant core. Political skirmishes hit stablecoin legislation as 9 Senate Democrats, including Raphael Warnock and Elizabeth Warren, withdrew support for the Genius Act sponsored by Bill Hagerty, demanding stronger anti-money laundering provisions. Warren also warned against a $2 billion stablecoin deal linked to Donald Trump. At the state level, Arizona Senator Wendy Rogers vowed to reintroduce her strategic Bitcoin reserve bill after Governor Katie Hobbs vetoed Senate Bill 1025. Senate Bill 1373 on managing seized digital assets remains under review. New platforms gained traction as Shardiem launched its auto-scaling Layer 1 mainnet, and its testnet recorded over 81 million transactions and 171,000 validators. In Central Asia, Kyrgyzstan plans USDKG, a gold-backed stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. In the Maldives, MBS Global Investments, led by Sheikh Nayef bin Aid Al Thani, committed $8.8 billion to build an international financial center blockchain hub. Tether's Paulo Arduino dove into AI with Tether.AI, an open-source runtime supporting USDT and Bitcoin payments, and launching Keet for peer-to-peer messaging. Security teams averted a crisis on Solana's Token 2022 standard by privately patching the zero-knowledge vulnerability reported by Anza and fixed by Jito and Firedancer. TronDAO confirmed its official X account was hacked via social engineering, and Justin Sun urged OKX to freeze stolen funds. French police rescued the father of a Maltese crypto marketing executive in a wrench attack in Paris. Legacy brands paused virtual collectibles as Mattel halted its Hot Wheels virtual garage NFTs, and Gala Games announced the shutdown of the Walking Dead empires. Nextpace preps MapleStory N for blockchain integration on Avalanche. Corporate treasuries kept stacking Bitcoin as MicroStrategy added 1,895 coins, bringing its total to 555,450 BTC at an average cost of $68,500. On the altcoin side, Wales sold 765,000 Trump tokens in an $8.6 million sell-off on News BTC, despite denials from CIC Digital. Hardware innovations continued as the Trezor Safe 5 launched with a haptic touchscreen and EAL 6 Plus secure element, supporting over 7,000 assets. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.